Hey everyone! Welcome to Scholarship Hunt. If you're applying for a fully funded scholarship like CSC, MEXT, or DAAD or others, you'll probably need to submit a study plan, and trust me, this document can make a huge difference. A lot of students feel overwhelmed writing it, but don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you through how to write a strong and effective study plan step by step, with short examples for each part. Let's get started. So first, what is a study plan? A study plan is a 1 to 1.5 page document where you talk about your academic background, your motivation to study in a specific country, your goals, and how your education will benefit your career and society. Let's break it down into 6 sections, and I'll also give you a short example for each one. First up is the introduction. Here, briefly introduce yourself, your full name, your country, your educational background, and the degree you're applying for. Keep it clear and formal. For example, my name is Aisha Khan from Pakistan. I have recently completed my bachelor's degree in computer science from ComSats University, and I am applying for the master's program in artificial intelligence under the CSC scholarship. Second, explain why you chose this country and university. You should highlight the country's academic reputation, research facilities, or even cultural interest. For example, China is globally recognized for its advancements in scientific research and innovation. I am particularly interested in Tsinghua University due to its cutting-edge research in artificial intelligence and the opportunity to learn from renowned faculty members. Third comes your academic goals. Describe what you want to learn, the specific courses or skills you're aiming for, and how they relate to your past background. Example: through this program, I aim to deepen my understanding of deep learning model prediction and improve my command of data analysis tools such as Python, which are crucial for a future in artificial intelligence. Now, if you're applying for a research-based degree, add a research interest section. This is optional, but strongly recommended if your program expects it. Example: my research interest lies in using artificial intelligence to solve biological problems. I would like to explore how deep learning models can improve biological data and its accuracy, building on my undergraduate thesis in this field. Next, talk about your future plans. Explain how this degree will benefit your personal and professional development. Will you contribute to your home country's development? Pursue a PhD. Work in the industry. Example: after completing my master's degree, I intend to return to Pakistan and work in the technology sector as a cybersecurity specialist or deep learning engineer. I also plan to pursue a PhD later to further specialize in this domain. Lastly, write a brief conclusion. Thank the reviewers and reaffirm your motivation. Example: thank you for considering my application. I am highly motivated to pursue this opportunity and strongly believe that this program aligns perfectly with my goals. I am confident that this program will serve as a gateway to a rewarding career in following program. Before you wrap it up, here are a few important tips. Keep your study plan clear and formal, ideally within 800 to 1,000 words. Customize your study plan for each university. And that's it. With this structure and examples, you're now ready to write a strong study plan. If you want me to review your draft, let me know in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe to Scholarship Hunt for more updates. Good luck. See you in the next video.